Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to concatenate two lists. So basically we will be given two lists and we are interested to concatenate those. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So let's say if we have two lists, one is fruits and another one is new list, and we are interested in concatenating them. That is, we want the content of new fruits to be concatenated to the first list, which is in fruits. So basically what we want is, the agenda is simply that earlier where we had this as the list, now we want this part as well to be included into it. That is, we want this to be the content of fruits. So this thing we can perform in Python with help of an inbuilt method named extend. So with help of extend we can simply concatenate two lists. Let me show you how to do that. So first of all we will write the list name or the list into which we want to concatenate. So over here in fruits we want to concatenate. So let's write fruit and then dot and then the name of the method, which is extend. And now within the parenthesis we will provide that list which will get inserted into the first one. So over here new fruits is that. So let's write it. From this line we mean that concatenate the content of new fruits into fruits. Okay, now let's print it, but for better printing let's print earlier as well before concatenating. So we'll write earlier, the content of fruits is this. Now let's write after, or better, letter, and then again fruits. Now let's run it to see the things up. And boom, here you can see that earlier this was the list, right, which is the original list, and after concatenating we can see that the previous list is also conserved, but the second list got concatenated into it. Let's do one more thing. As I told that the part which you will write before this extend, that will be the thing, or that will be the list into which concatenation will happen, right? Now let's change further. Now let's add new fruits, that is, now let's add fruits to new fruits. Okay, and let's print it as well like this. So let's print new fruits and let's see the result. And again here you can see that earlier where this was the list, now fruits list got added to it. So this is how the extend method happens, or extend methods works in Python, and this is how we can concatenate two lists in Python. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still if you have any doubt then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video. Thank you.